Hey everybody and welcome! I know I have a big cheese on my face because I'm super excited about today's unboxing. As you guys saw in the title, we will be unboxing our Tribe Beauty Box for February 2021. This is a bi-monthly subscription and by far one of my favorites. So before we jump into the video, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rihanna and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, have fun, unbox, play in makeup, talk about makeup, and just enjoy our 15, 20, however long this video is gonna be. I do have a giveaway going on our channel right now. I will talk more about that later in the video, as well as the makeup I have on, my top I have on. I'm trying to get better about discussing all of that with you guys at the end of the video. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so a little information about the Tribe Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $34.99. I do have a link down below, which I believe is going to save you guys some money off your first box. It's an affiliate link, so thank you guys in advance if you do decide to sign up using it. A huge thank you to Tribe Beauty Box for sending this box over my way to unbox for you guys. As always, these are all my personal thoughts and opinions and everything. We are going to be doing a try-on in today's video with one of the products in here. If you guys don't know, it is the eye look. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this box. We do get a card in this box, and you're gonna see it's double-sided because there is different variations. This is a wow, I literally had the word and it just jumped off my tongue and disappeared, or jumped down on my brain. Wait, hold up. Customizable, boom, there it is, a customizable box. Thyroid brain, apparently zero caffeine. Anywho, so you will be customizing some of the items in here, and you will see that on the card what your options were. So I did not end up choosing. I was like sending head mail to them like, ooh, please pick this for me, because as you guys know, your girl is obsessed with Sol de Janeiro. I'm telling you guys, whether it is the Boom Boom Cream, which is what we received in this box, and this is a good size. This isn't like the itty bitty little tiny size. This has 2.5 fluid ounces. So could I use this up in two, you know, after 2 showers? Yes. Am I gonna? No, because as you guys know, when it comes to Sol de Janeiro, I baby this stuff because I absolutely love it. I love the Bum Bum Cream or Boom Boom Cream, and the Coco Cabana is my favorite. A little information about this. This does have a retail value of $20. Now keep in mind, again, this is a bi-monthly box. It is $34.99. So we darn near made our money just off this cute little item right here. This is the luxurious body cream that melts into your skin with the award-winning formula infused with powerful caffeine-rich Brazilian blend of skin-loving ingredients. Smooth skin brings a soft shimmer that is the coveted Brazilian Bum Bum Cream effect and absolute body joy, scented with that's what I wanted to tell you guys about. This has such a delicious, yummy scent to it. I don't know if you guys see right here on my perfume. This is not my only one, but this is the one that is right here. But I have the Sol de Janeiro perfume down here, and I love it. Give me all things yummy, beachy, goddess scented, and I'm a happy, happy girl. So this is the first item in the box. Now, the next item in this box, which you're going to see a video playing, this is actually all of the eyeshadows that I have on my eyes today. I went extremely outside my comfort zone with the berries, the pinks, but I thought, you know, it's Valentine's Day. This is a February box. We need to embrace it. Love it. And that is what we did. Now, my palette did not come broken. Your girl's just a clumsy, clumsy one, and I tripped and dropped the box or dropped the palette, and I broke one of the shades in here. You're gonna see that in the video over here. This is called the Shades of Roses B Bella Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to keep it closed, and you'll see I kind of did some tilting over here in the video trying to show you guys the shades I was using. Now, a little information about this palette. It does have a retail value of $12. It says Stop and Smell the Roses. The Shades of Roses eyeshadow palette is the perfect mix of pressed glitters, mattes, all influenced by the many shades of roses. Feel the love and love yourself while applying these beautiful shades. You guys, this palette is in your standard type of cardboard packaging. It does say that it is cruelty free and does have a 24-month shelf life. And there is a mirror in here. As you're gonna see, the beautiful chocolate shade that you're gonna use like non-stop all the time, which you guys will see in this video, I actually used as a liner on. Instead of using like a liquid liner or anything, I just smudged it. I couldn't think of the word. Smudged it across my lash line. But this is absolutely beautiful. I thought, honestly, opening it up, I was like, oh, that is really rosy colors. I don't know if I can handle it. But I love the formula. The formula was very easy to work with. And these glitters are absolutely beautiful. So I didn't put it on in this video because of this right here. I wanted to show you guys, like, look, you just lightly dab it just a little bit. And look how it gives this beautiful glitter, shimmer. Goodness. I mean, isn't that so pretty? I'm gonna add a little bit over on this side so it matches. But yeah, I held off on applying it because I wanted to show you guys how easy it applies and how pretty it is no matter what the age. Like, I'm sorry guys, but I think forever and ever and ever, I don't care if I'm like 105 years old, because yes, I am manifesting that. I'm gonna be that girl who likes the shimmer, who loves the glitter. I mean, I am all about the sparkles. So anywho, don't be afraid to use this Mia Moore shade right here. It is just so beautiful. And you guys, even this pressed glitter, which I use this rosette one over here, you'll see that one. I mean, these shades are absolutely gorgeous, easy to work with. And like I told you guys, don't be afraid of the shimmer, the glitter, what have you. Like, it's just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. We're here to have fun. You know what I mean? So I think that this palette is a perfect addition to this subscription box because it's a February box and this just screams Valentine's. So that is the next item in here. Moving right along, the next one in here, and you guys, I always tell y'all, this is how Hailey and I built our brush collection. This is the Luxie 518 large powder brush. As we know, Luxie is a wonderful brush brand. This does have a retail value of $31. So again, we've got 3 items, and again, the box was only $34.99, and it's bi-monthly. It's a bi-monthly box. So you made your money back, friends. Like, I love the Tri Beauty box. And it's female owned. Like, we love that. Support and empower our women. You know what I mean? Anyways, back to the Luxie brush because your girl's just full of energy and ready to tangent. But the Luxie brush, it says, use this fluffy brush to quickly set your face with your favorite loose and pressed powder. What I love about Luxie brushes is they are just made so well. They're gonna last you forever, and I love like the density or the fact that it's not insanely dense. It's just perfect for the powder. It's everything that you're going to want in a powder brush, and you got it in your box. So moving on to the next items in here, and I do believe this is going to be a set. This is called the Inmo, I think, Inmo Cosmetics Eye Lighteners. It's $19 for 2 of them. And because of the shades in this palette over here, I did not end up using the shimmer glitters over here because I wanted to use as much as I could out of this particular palette, and I wanted to add this glitter on my eyes. I just think it's so fun. Okay. I told you, I'm a shimmer glitter type of girl. But these are really pretty eyeshadows. Now, I have a ton of these types of little liquid eyeshadows. So I am going to go ahead and gift these to you guys, and you guys will see these in an upcoming giveaway, which, by the way, there is a giveaway currently going on, and it ends, I want to say it's like February 9th. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link the video down below for y'all where you need to go check it out, or maybe at the end of this video, go over, check out that video, and you have to watch the video in order to enter in to the giveaway. It gives you all the deets, all of that. So just make sure that you are subscribed, like, follow me over on Instagram, all of that stuff. All the information will be also linked in the comment section below for you guys to go over and enter into that giveaway. I did not extend that 30 days like I normally do for my giveaways. I wanted to make it cute, quick, and sweet so you guys could have it for Valentine's Day, because I'll be your Valentine. So definitely make sure to check out that video and future giveaway with these two items. But again, $19 and you got both of them. Moving on to the last item in here, and again, I just thought this was such a beautiful, perfect color for February, and this is the Foley Fire Bronzing Blush. So this is a blush. It is full size, just like everything else that we receive in our Tribe Beauty box. And look at this component. Isn't that so fun? I just think that's so fun. It's kind of like an eyeball. Okay, I know, I'm like 2 years old at heart, but the color is so pretty. This is in the shade, it says Baked Bronzing Blush. Really pretty color. It's almost like a perfect like mulberry color, and accents this palette beautifully. Now you're gonna notice I did not swatch it or anything, because again, I have a lot of these particular shades. So why not share the love, and you guys will see this in a future giveaway. So little information about this. And I think I called it wrong. I said Foley Fire. I'm sorry. This is Foley Fire is the brand. It's a bronzing blush and baked, or you would have received the shade Guilty. It is a hybrid between an earthy bronzer and a natural looking blush. And it's for your cheeks with a bronzy flush or a feature defining shades. So the nice thing about this color, guys, don't be afraid if you feel like this is going to be too dark for you. The nice thing to do, especially in the summertime, is go ahead, apply it to your cheeks, dab a little bit on your nose for that like sunburned kiss look. This will be absolutely beautiful. I did forget to read to you guys a little information about the Inmo Cosmetics. These are stunning shades, easily applied liquid eyeshadows to create a long wearing versatile look, ranging from girl on the go shimmery nude to a darling charcoal smoky eye, which, oh my gosh, this electric blue is just absolutely gorgeous. I kind of feel like it would be really pretty to like use it as an eyeliner too. Ooh, okay, so many thoughts, but anywho. So this particular box is called the Box B as far as the customization to it. Retail value of everything together. Let me go ahead and total that up for you guys. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead, I totaled everything up. Everything in this box did come to a total of $102. Again, this box is $34.99. Bi-monthly. You're not going to be paying that every single month. I love the fact that it is a bi-monthly box, so you're not going to feel overwhelmed with getting too much makeup or anything. Like I told you guys, this is a customizable box, so you are going to get to choose your items in here. Not all of them, but you do get to customize. The other item you could have chosen was also the Beauty Blender, which for me, it was a no-brainer. I love this with my whole heart. Like, I want to smell like a yummy, delicious Caribbean treat 24/7, 300 and what is there, 65 days a year, you guys? I'm all over the place. But I just absolutely love Sol de Janeiro. So let me know you guys' thoughts on this box. I thought it was wonderful. I love that it is makeup heavy. I love that we've got some tools in here. If you look at this palette and you're like, no, jump in, try it out. Get outside your comfort zone. If your girl can do it, you can do it as well. I think as far as the curation of this box being for February, I love the tones, the colors, everything. I just think everything in this box was just wonderful. And I want to say this is my 3rd Tribe Beauty box, and you guys, I can't complain. Like, I can't complain over the Tribe Beauty box. I absolutely love it. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Have you received yours? What did you think about it? They also do where you can shop over on Tribe Beauty box as well. They'll open up the store, and I absolutely love when subscription boxes do that because it's a great way to grow your makeup, skincare, hair care collection at very, very affordable prices. So if you guys are interested in signing up for the Tribe Beauty box, check my description box, my comment section down below. Like I told you guys, I do believe that there is like a way with my link or coupon code to save money off your first box. Now let's go ahead and talk about where my top is from. My top is from Torrid. It's actually on sale, of course, which I did get it on sale. So anyways, it is still on sale if you guys are interested in picking it up. It is just that really nice sheer material. I just wear a tank underneath of it, and I love it. It's like a mock turtleneck. I did a huge Torrid try-on haul, and I did a try-on haul, and then I did a Torrid haul over on my second channel, HotmessMomMAMD Vlogs. It's a vlog channel, lifestyle channel, whatever you want to call it. Make sure to go over it. You can check that out. As far as my makeup goes, I have my Natasha Denona. This is the Transfer Matte foundation. Hopefully this will be available. I'm pre-filming, so hopefully this will be available at Boxy Pop-Up. I got this for $12. It's on sale at Sephora for like $22.50, but if you can pick it up at the Boxy Pop-Up, I would definitely recommend doing so. My eye makeup, as you guys know, is from this beautiful palette right here. I did use my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas eye base in the shade medium. This was actually in the October Tribe Beauty box, and I actually saw it in the Tribe Beauty box sale section for, I think it was like 20 bucks or something. So I don't know if it's still available, but if it is, I would run, jump, and get it because it's amazing. Sticking with Gerard Cosmetics, I do have the Buttercup Lipstick on, paired with the Buttercream Lipgloss, aka my bougie gloss. Absolutely love it. On the outer portions of my lashes or whatever, they're just the Ardell magnetic lashes. I snip and put them right on the edges because I have slightly hooded eyes and I can't do a full lash strip. I feel too much. I can't feel much of anything on the edges. I love it. I did use my Glamnetic lash doohickey. I forget what it's called. I don't know where I put it. Where did I put it? Here it is. I couldn't see it. The Glamnetic, that's what I use to apply those. So if you have the Ardell magnetic lashes, it does work with the Glamnetic lash glue. So, or magnetic lash glue, whatever. Anyways, as far as my contour, my blush, and my highlight, it's all the Scott Barnes palettes. Those were recently on sale. You guys were wondering about them. I would definitely do them. They're amazing. My brows, guys, I just use my Shop Miss A medium brow pencil, and then I go over it with my Milk Kush gel in the shade Haze. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. The giveaway is going on until February 9th. Like I told you guys, check the description box, the comment section down below. You've got to jump over to that video in order to enter in. Anyways, guys, don't forget to check out my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. Check me out over on Instagram. We are like 900 and I think 1 or 2 followers away from 10K, which has me so excited. A huge thank you to Tribe Beauty Box for sending me over this box. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I absolutely love this subscription. If you guys want it, sign up down below. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.